Okay, first stop, the Paul Bunyan statue in Cheshire, Connecticut. This is a huge Paul Bunyan statue that was brought over here from another business, and they had some legal issues to deal with regarding the height restrictions, but they got around that by making it a flagpole. So this is officially a flagpole here in Cheshire, Connecticut, right outside of a place called the House of Doors, and another place that's an indoor trampoline park. This is cool. First stop on my trip today. This thing is massive. Wow. Pretty cool.